have to escape. We cannot escape, Wookie. We're stuck in this stupid prison. I've been waiting for a long time. What are you doing, White Bread? Hello, I'm talking to you. What are you doing?
Shut up, Mookie. I'm tired of this stupid prison. It makes me want to make me mad. I'm status.
I think you should stop now.
Shut up!
What are we gonna do? Everybody, will you keep it down? I'm trying to relax here. God, stay right there.
That's what you saw. I got an idea. Everybody, I got something really important. We gotta join forces. We got this. All we gotta do, that we're in jail, we have to escape.
We can't escape. We're stuck in this here. Yeah, I mean, why? It's just getting really stupid sometimes. I mean, what are we gonna do?
I don't know. We should just ask the cop to help us where we can go if we have to use the restroom. But I have to go pee so fast.
But there's no toilet in there. Yeah.
Not anymore. Oh, officer!
What do you want?
Hey, mister.
It's officer, not mister.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I was wondering if I have to go use the restroom fast because there's no toilet in there.
I don't see any toilet. Well, you can go pee in a corner.
No! Do you have any bathroom you have?
A bathroom? You mean a restroom?
Bathroom and a restroom are the same thing. Can you, would you mind if you can,
What are you doing? Ow! 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 What are you doing? No! Ow! Oh! Get him! Alright. Finally got that retard. My karate skills. What are we gonna do now, Whitebird?
Now, finally, the cage is finally open. All we're gonna do is run!
Hey! Come back here! You're not belonging here anymore. Come here! You're not belonging here anymore. Hey, what are you doing? No!
Smell your latest, sucker! Alright, ready? Here's the plan. All we gotta do is you two are going to attack that green boogeyman's house and the stupid guys like my husband, Redbird. All we gotta do is go get them and try to take them to jail. And this is gonna be the best thing we can do. So this is my revenge plan. For my revenge, I'm going to take over the world, and you guys are going to get them!
Oh, you mean Blackbird was in the house? And, he's the one that he doesn't like swing school?
Exactly! Now, you go get them! You have to go get them right now!
Oh, I got it! I'm gonna go fill Blackbird! Oh, I don't care, man. I just got this.
Alright, which one should I do next? Oh, I know! Microphone in 3! I'm gonna go get them! Alrighty, everybody, listen up! All you gotta do is go to that green Pokemon's house and his stupid retarded friends are having a good time together since they're free! All you gotta do is go get them! You are going to scream the voice, you are going to attack Redbird and the other guys, and you go get Wolftail! Oh, yeah, you got it alright, yeah!
Yeah, this is gonna be good at least.
Okay, everybody, all you gotta do is just go there and go get them! Isn't that right, everybody?
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm gonna scream heck out of people.
This is gonna be awesome. Come on, let's go get them!
Let's go get them.
Wow, my plan finally worked! I finally freed them to jail, and I'm out of jail. And this is my greatest plan of my revenge.
I'm gonna make sure that everybody's in jail.
I feel like he's a cute baby. Wow.
Bang, 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 bang. Look at this good gun there. Wow. La, 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 la. Wow, it's good to be back for together, isn't it? Yeah, totally.
Well, thanks for coming with us, Creeper. It's really appreciated that you guys are having fun.
Yeah, everybody else is enjoying, and this will be the best majestic day in the world.
It's pronounced majestic, Creeper.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even hear that. What was that? What? Hey, what was that noise? Like I was saying. Seriously, who's making that noise?
I don't know. Maybe it's the pizza guy or something.
There isn't gonna be a pizza guy, Yoshi! I think we're good there. Sometimes. Not so fast! What the? Mr. Ted? Wait, what are you guys doing here?
Mr. Ted?
Everybody, I want your attention, please. We're here to kick your butt. No! We're here to get you! Attacking, sting, and everything. Actually, I got this. You all are going to...
Actually, everybody, you cannot just even deal with it. So what's going on here? Everybody, what's going on? What's going on here? Why you guys are here? I'll tell you what's going on, you weird freak. So right now, Whitebird just told us that we're about to hear and we're going to get you and you're all going to be in jail for the rest of our lives. Because Whitebird has his revenge because she's the boss now and you all are going to be no match for us.
Yeah. And I'm gonna scream the heck out of you. Yeah, you are going to get failed like Blackbird. Oh my god, not this again, Mr. Tab. Please don't let this happen again, okay?
And what's this Piet doing here? He's not belonging here.
No, it's fine. You better get out of here, or else I'm going to hit you with the frying pan. Or some pan or something, whatever this is. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna fight us? Because Whitebird's having revenge, we're here to fight you. Exactly! Everybody, let's do this! Get down! Oh my god!
Don't worry, I got this! Oh, what is helmet?
Non-match for me and my antagonists! Hey you! Oh, my head hurts! Oh yeah, let's see how it goes. Ow! What are you doing? Stop hitting me!
Mommy, Daddy, what's going on here?
I don't know. I think we're just fighting because... Oh my god. Whitebird? Is Whitebird doing this?
Actually, Three's right. Whitebird is having revenge! But then those minions are trying to attack us!
You mean the enemies?
That's what I said! The enemies are coming with something!
Oh, we have to get them! We don't want to waste any time! Okay.
Everybody, we got this. All we gotta do is go get them!
Oh, heck to the... No, I'm gonna go get them right now! Hey, stop it, what are you doing?
Let's go!
Just smack it down here!
Fool, why do you keep yelling at me like that? You'll never get away with this. You there!
Oh, I'm so sorry!
Jesus, you scared the heck out of us! There you go! I'm about to get with this thing!
What's going on here?
I don't know! What? They just keep yelling and stuff. There you are, Wolftail! Come here! We gotta get out of here! No! Run!
Oh god, that was the class one!
Yeah, totally. I have no idea what's going on here.
What was that?
Let me go check. Let me open the door. Oh my god. Thank goodness you guys saved me. What's going on? Where's Whitebird?
He went to Creeper's house.
And Whitebird is the one who kidnaps you. But the worst part is, she's having revenge. And she wanted those guys to get them. Oh god, no. I've been working so hard for this and I was trying to get them. But no, I gotta stop them. I gotta stop them for good. Oh, you're no good this time, everybody. I'm gonna get you. Hopefully they're gonna win this time. Let's go, Wolftail. Oh!
Well, look what we have here. A blue stupid little bird, a wolf ticklish wolf, and a stupid poopy head.
Don't call me that.
That's what you sound like.
Don't say that. It's not even big of a deal.
Yeah, what's going on here? Why are you doing this? Well, I got my revenge, and I let them people to attack Creeper and his friends are going to make sure that this time I'm the boss, I'm a revenge, I can take my revenge whenever I want. So all of you get to stop me. You? What exactly are you doing here?
They just saved me.
You? Oh, yeah, really? I'm just gonna make sure that Walktail is going to be in jail too.
What? No, you can't be serious. You can't even do that.
Oh, yes I can. Walktail, you are now going to be here. I'm gonna get you! You can't be serious. I'm just trying to say.
Let go of her, you freak. Okay, that's really scary. Ma'am, you're coming with me. Oh no, you're taking down tomatoes! Ow! Ow! What just... Oh, I think I'm dizzy. Come back here, you fool. I'll be able to get you.
Everybody stop fighting!
Let's go! Not so fast, everybody! Hey, why is there a cop doing there? Wait, what's going on here?
What are you doing here now?
All of you, how did you get there? Mr. Ted and Bookie, how did you guys get there? We escaped by Whitebird. So you really think that her plan is getting a revenge, huh? Well, you know, I'm just gonna let you know that all of you are going to be arrested for this. Oh yeah? Well, oh yeah, let me handle this for no reason. Whoop, that's down. Yeah, you talk. Oh yes I can. I talk over. Now come over here, you. I'm gonna go get you this time. What? Whoa! And you two are under arrest too. Get off of me! Come on, get your handcuffs there. Come on, you.
Finally! Everybody, we got this. Alright, I'm just gonna be the team, so I'll just wear my helmet. You Chef Dark are going to wear your pen, and Uncle Red, you are going to get your gun out. So you guys stay right here. We're going to fight her and kick her butt.
Alright, man, let's do this. Mamma mia, let's go.
I have to bring this Furby with me, because it's gonna be good. Alright, Mr. Furby, let's go!
Oh, please, wake your have please. What are we gonna do now, man?
This ain't no fun.
Don't worry about it, because I don't want Wiper to keep annoying stuff or something.
No!
Please don't take us to jail, I'm so sorry.
Sorry isn't gonna work for you, everybody. You all are gonna be in jail.
Not so fast, fool.
What?
Yeah.
Hi, Mommy.
Yoshi, what are you doing here?
Well, as you can see, I'm bringing Furby with me.
But that's a toy, it's not a weapon. Because I got this weapon right here, and I'm gonna go bang her.
And I'm gonna come bang, 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 bang. All I gotta do is get this kill, and all that stuff. Woman?
Don't call me a woman. I am Redbird's husband. I'm Redbird, and I'm gonna go get rid of him.
Enderman, please save us. All you have to do is get Redbird. Shut up.
Like I was saying. Jesus, you fired me! Damn right I do. Like I was saying to you all, what are you gonna do about it? And you have this stupid weird gun. You have this stupid frying pan you don't have a gun. You have this stupid little red diamond thing. And you have that stupid little Furby thing.
Alright, Furby, do it!
That's the stupid Furby thing. Why does it keep moving?
Watch, boy, let's go get him! Yeah!
I know!
Oh yeah!
Go! Oh, what are you doing? Go!
Hey, what are you doing? Oh!
You won't get away with this!
No!
Anyone wants help?
Oh no. Think. I know.
Oh, what's this stupid frog doing here? What's it get into? Oh, you all 4 and 3 are going to be in jail. And you two, too. No! You can't have it, not you! Oh, you're about to get something this time. You're not going to get away with this! My revenge revenge plan finally worked!
Oh no, we can't be serious.
What are we gonna do? Hey, everybody! Look!
What?
What the?
Come on, Mr. Bob Monster, hurry up.
Oh my god!
I'm the Bob Monster.
Oh, Yoshi, what's this bomb monster doing there? I don't know!
Man, what's this little blob doing there?
Trying to eat.
Oh, wait, what does that mean? Come on, everybody, let's get out of here! Wait, what's going on here? Take the stupid furry over! What are you doing here? Blob, what are you doing? No!
Oh my goodness! Thank you so much, Mr. Bob Monster. I finally made it, and this means that stupid nutty mama died.
You mean Whitebird, Yoshi?
Whatever. Thank you, Mr. Bob Monster. Shake hands. Shake hands. Bye. I'm gonna go eat some more.
Oh my god! Yoshi! You saved our lives!
What? I don't believe it. Yoshi,
How did you do that?
I killed the Bob Monster, and now Whitebird's gone.
finally, man. We finally...
She's dead now! Wow! Actually, she has been beaten by the Black Monster!
Thank God. Finally. Thank goodness.
Yes! No more Whitebird getting revenge everything. Is that right, Pian?
All right. This looks cool. Yes. Finally. Let's go home or else something came up. Let's go. I'll pick us up with this hair, man. I understand why we had this.
Hey, everybody! We finally came home!
Wolftail, Enderman, everybody, you're here. What's going on here? I thought you got kidnapped.
Oh, we ain't got kidnapped anymore. Whitebird got eaten by a Black Monster.
What? Yes! No more big fat white ugly stupid bird! We can finally meet each other together, baby.
Oh, Redbird! Let's go have a... It's such a great romantic!
Wow, I don't even believe why we finally made it, everybody! Yeah, we did it! Guys, I finally made it!
Oh, Yoshi, what's going on here?
Well, I killed the Bob Monsters and everybody got beaten up. So now, Whitebird's gone.
Oh my goodness, Whitebird, yes! No more Whitebird! Did she finally eat it? I mean, she got eaten by a blood monster. Ah, thank God!
Yeah, no more mommy!
Oh, Beehead, you're saved! Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much for thank you for helping me. Oh, thank God, man! Finally, I get go back to cooking. Oh, I'm so proud of you! Wow! Oh my goodness, Yoshi is so proud. Thank you. Wow!
I'm the best hero in the world.
Oh, Yoshi. Well, looks like it's going back to our normal for Majestic. Yeah, Majestic is a good word. Alright, everybody, let's get back to this great session thing.
You're such a hero, Yoshi. Thank you, Uptail. I made it so far.
Yeah, wonder what Mom's... She's gone now. Well, we finally made it, everybody. What do we say if we can be together and then we can be in the studio at once and for all, so no more bloopers, huh? Yeah. See ya, Wolftail.
Yeah, bye, everybody.
You four are in jail for the rest of your lives, and Whitebird's kinda eaten by the blood monster somehow, because she's dead or something. So anyways, you four are no longer coming to be free for all. So all of you stay here and think about what you've done.
What? You can't be serious!
That sucks! Oh, not again! Not again! Whitebird's revenge plan sucks so hard because she's a mean boss, alright. And wait, what's Blood Monster anyway? It's just a big bugger looking eaten by whatever. Worst day ever!